Hello everyone. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of couldn't change email on PowerPoint. Do you know how to fix or how to solve the problem of could not change email on PowerPoint? You should just go to settings. In the first, you can go to the window of apps and you can click on PowerPoint. Then you can click on first step and you can click OK. After that, you'll enter to storage. Here you can click clear cache. In the end, you can go to airplane mode. You can turn on your airplane mode and you can turn off your airplane mode again. So please don't forget to support us, bell icon and subscribe. See you next time in another video.